So I am at the front of my cousin's boat, and we're just, no, the light's not working. They're trying to get the light working on the front of the boat, but it's not working, it's not turning on. I don't know what's going on, but, so we're out, parked out at the Port Stanley beach for a while with some other boats hanging out and swimming and stuff, and so we're gonna go back into town just for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back into town and go on to Mike's boat. I guess do a little midnight cruise or whatever. So we're gonna park Joe's boat, and so we're just pulling. We have to drive really slow. Don't want to create any wakes. Don't want to be inconsiderate to the other boaters. That looks like a nice little place to party right there. Oh, turn here, turn to the center. Oosh, 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 oosh.
Are you having fun yet, Greg?
Big time. So it's about 25 after 9 approximately, and it's starting to get really dark. So I'm going to sign off. Maybe I'll do a video later on when we're doing our little midnight cruise. See you later.